इसमें प्रैक्टिस के लिए आपको क्वेश्चन सुनाई देगा और राइट योर आंसर, जब आंसर आएगा तो उसमें बोला जाएगा राइट योर आंसर। उसके पहले आप क्या करेंगे, ऐसे एक पेज लेंगे और अपने 28 नंबर्स डाल लेंगे। ठीक है, जैसे क्वेश्चन सुनाई देता है आपको और वहां बोला जाएगा राइट योर आंसर, तो आप अपना राइट आंसर यहां पे लिख लेंगे। ठीक है, फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, तो आप अपने सारे आंसर लिख लीजिए और लास्ट में आपको आंसर भी सुनाए जाएंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आंसर, इस अपने आंसर मिला लीजिए। यदि आपके सही आंसर, सारे आंसर सही हैं, वेल डन, नहीं तो दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करें।
Page number 15 slow speed. Answers are in the end. Start. Question number 1 start. 28. 4. 8. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 2 start. 16. 4. 5. 5. 14. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 3 start. 3. 5. 4. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 4 start. 17. 4. 7. 7. 63. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 5 start. 67. 4. 9. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 6 start. 76. 4. 4. 5. 7. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 7 start. 4. 5. 4. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 8 start. 67. 14. 9. 9. Minus 78. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 9 start. 66. 4. 4. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 10 start. 16. 14. 9. 8. Minus 12. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 11 start. 8. 1. 4. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 12 start. 69. 4. 8. Minus 80. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 13 start. 17. 4. 5. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 14 start. 7, 4, 7, 4, 8. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 15 start. 6, 4, 4. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 16 start. 66, 4, 4, 6, minus 60. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 17 start. 19, 4, 7. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 18 start. 67, 4, 5, 5, 9. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 19 start. 19, 4, 8. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 20 start. 78, 4, 9, 8. Minus 86. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 21 start. 19, 4, 5. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 22 start. 39, 4, minus 40, plus 7, 6. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 23 start. 6, 4, 6. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 24 start. 18, 4, 8, 9. Minus 16. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 25 start. 6, 4, 6. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 26 start. 8, 4, 9, 9. 66. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 27 start. 15, 4, 4. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 28 start. 27, 4, 5, 5. 52. Answer is, write your answer next. Thank you. Please check your answer. Start. Question number 1 start. Answer is 40. Question number 2 start. Answer is 44. Question number 3 start. Answer is 12. Question number 4 start. Answer is 98. Question number 5 start. Answer is 80. Question number 6 start. Answer is 96. Question number 7 start. Answer is 13. Question number 8 start. Answer is 21. Question number 9 start. Answer is 74. Question number 10 start. Answer is 35. Question number 11 start. Answer is 13. Question number 12 start. Answer is 1. Question number 13 start. Answer is 26. Question number 14 start. Answer is 30. Question number 15 start. Answer is 14. Question number 16 start. Answer is 20. Question number 17 start. Answer is 30. Question number 18 start. Answer is 90. Question number 19 start. Answer is 31. Question number 20 start. Answer is 13. Question number 21 start. Answer is 28. Question number 22 start. Answer is 16. Question number 23 start. Answer is 16. Question number 24 start. Answer is 23. Question number 25 start. Answer is 16. Question number 26 start. Answer is 96. Question number 27 start. Answer is 23. Question number 28 start. Answer is 93. Thank you.